Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can improve your computer's performance by changing the power mode in Windows 11. This simple adjustment can help you get the most out of your device. First, start by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. Next, select Settings from the list that appears. Once the Settings window opens, click on the System section to access system-related options. Then, inside the System settings, choose Power and Battery. This is where all the related settings for power, screen, and sleep are found. Finally, under the Power Mode menu, you will see different options. Choose Best Performance. This setting prioritizes speed and responsiveness, which can be especially useful for demanding tasks. Adjusting your power mode in Windows 11 is a quick way to boost performance. It allows you to get smoother results and enjoy a better experience overall. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.